So let's try to turn it on. Why it is not working?
Party up, summer, summer. Summer, summer.
Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to View First. In here, you will see mostly unboxing of online products, learn different kinds of geeks, tricks, and tips in line with electronics, gaming, and other cool related ideas. Today, we have a package from an online shop. I expect that this is a shotgun microphone. So here it is. Let's open it. There's a plastic casing. So the microphone consists of the manual, battery, then the microphone. So here's the foam, and the mic is in here. And when you gonna put when you install the battery, you just put it in here, and close it. Here is the on and off, the indicator, and the plug.